Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Bruno Mars. And the song that we are going to react to is Count on Me. This is our first time listening to this song of Bruno Mars. I've heard a couple of songs by him in the past, but this I haven't heard and I didn't even know it existed. So it is a Patreon request and it will be our first time single take honest reaction to it. Count on Me. We reacted to a lot of good music today. Some not very good, but they were okay. And this is another one that will be getting added to our list of reactions. We are two reactors who react to music on a regular basis. We just don't appear out of somewhere and then disappear again. Nobody knows when the next video is going to come up. We are very disciplined and regularly.
We've tried our best to keep that up. Of course, things are very unpredictable in the world right now as well as in our city.
Yeah.
But we still have been doing our best to maintain our discipline.
Yeah.
And we pride ourselves on doing so.
Even the pandemic, I didn't know how we would.
And I think it's all about
continue.
The platform. The platform, the more and more unpredictable it gets, the more difficult it gets to be honest and sincere as we are used to being and we always are. I guess that's the time we'll leave, or that's the time we'll stop posting videos, publishing videos, because for us it's very important to be honest, sincere, frank, and honest every single time. We just can't beat around the bush, we just can't give fake reactions, fake reviews. We can't do all that. So it's very difficult for us to make ends meet or survive being honest. So whenever it becomes too much, or we feel we are better off doing what we do during the day hours, we'll switch off.
So it's like Count on Me. For reactions, people have been counting on us. That they are going to release it almost every day. That's what we have been trying to achieve. And I think we have successfully done that for a very long time now. For a reactor, the life on YouTube is barely a year or two. And we have come a long way in that case.
Yeah, and it shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't be that way. It should have never been that way. And the platform has made it, the platform owners, the platform, even the viewers and also reactors, it shouldn't have been that way. It should have been something that you could do forever, or as long as you are alive. Just like carpentry. You like something. I have a knack for it, and so does Kirti. We are extremely good counselors, and we are not the only ones saying that. It's mainly our clients who say it. It comes very easily for both of us to listen to music and analyze it and share our honest views on it from a bystander's point of view. Yeah. The beauty of one of the USPs or the beauty of our channel is that we give it from a bystander's point of view. We are not part of the label, we are not a label worker, we are not owned by the label, we are not manipulated by the label, we are not paid by the label.
We are not
at least not that we know of.
Yeah.
And we are also not fans of the artists or bands. Again, not most of them.
About 1,000 artists?
We do like some artists and bands, but even then, if it's something that comes across as something which doesn't agree with our ethics, morals, or with something we didn't like, we say so. For us it's quite important to be that way, even if we don't have too many fans and followers and not too many people who appreciate the work that we do. We'll still keep doing it the way we do it.
It's a matter of understanding, when people realize what exactly has been done. That is the reason why we take some time now during our introduction, and we try to convey what we are trying to do.
Yeah, the music needs to be, in sync with why we are here. We spend a lot of our precious time being here, and the music sometimes isn't in sync with our morals, our values, our efforts. And I hope this one is. Bruno Mars, Count on Me.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful friendship song. Beautiful friendship song. Could be sung for a soulmate, could be played for a close friend, could be played for a best friend, bestie, BFF. Could also be played for someone you really care about, your partner, your spouse, a family member. You know, mothers and daughters are very good friends as well. Fathers and sons, fathers and daughters. Wonderful. This is a wonderful song. Count on me and I'll be there. That's it.
I'll be there.
1, 2 and I'll be there. 4, 3 and she'll be there. Wonderful. Or he. I love it. Wonderful song.
I like the way he sang it mainly, and the instrument that was playing like mandolin sound. I'm not sure if it was guitar or mandolin, but it sounded good. It was more acoustic sound to the entire.
It's like the Hawaiian guitar.
Yeah, it could be ukulele, Hawaiian guitar. Yeah, it sounded very, very, acoustic.
Earthy sound, raw, earthy sound.
Yeah.
And I love the way he sang it too and hummed along with some of the things. Beautiful.
Very natural. Some people, those who are the best of the best friends, like one person who can be like that, who says that I'll be there for you. For some reason, they themselves don't get that kind of assurance from the people they stand up for. That has always been my problem in friendship. I can say for sure that I'm going to be there for you, you can count on me. I have never had that other person who said the same thing with the same confidence to me. And that's why I don't.
Why are you
believe
looking at
in-
me so much when you're saying all this?
You're not my friend, so why are you getting insecure anyway?
What do you mean I'm not your friend? I can be your friend.
Yeah, you can be, but you're always there by my side, isn't it? I'm talking about in general.
So that doesn't matter, right?
No, I'm saying.
I'm always there by your side. So
No, I'm saying that I'm
can't-
not
don't have to
talking
count on
about
me.
you. I'm
Don't
not
have to
talking
count on
about
me.
you. I'm talking about friendship institution or general concept of friendship. That it has not happened with me. I'm yet to see that friend for me.
yeah, it's difficult to have dependable friends, and I mean, many of us do realize it. I was once the most popular guy in my college. One of the most, definitely. I won't say the most. One of the most popular guys in my college. But a few years later, I don't think I was. I must have been one of the least popular guys around. So yeah, I realize that it's just
Both
a few
happens.
couple of people I can rely on, and I value their friendship. I value the connections I have with those few people. But I also realize that I wasted a lot of my precious time with people who didn't really matter at the end of the day, even one bit. So friendship is a very, very dicey
It is tricky.
thing.
Yeah.
It's tricky, it's dicey, it's a gamble. Of course, it matters whether you enjoyed your time in that time.
Yeah,
at
that's
that moment.
enough, I'd say.
So that is why I don't have too many regrets, because at that time I did have a ball of a time, so I have no regrets that those people aren't around, and it goes both ways. So if they aren't there, even I'm not there for them. It's not that I'm trying to connect with them or rebuild those bridges that are burned or whatever. So yeah, but you need to be careful. You need to be really, really careful about your friends, who you be friends with. I watched this amazing movie called Searching recently, few days ago in fact, and it does show, the people who you consider your friends could be the ones who kill you.
At the young age, I think we don't realize. Now I can say, look back and say, this is what I feel about friendship. Back then, it was a class thing. It is a status that you've got
Yeah,
many
I mean,
friends.
just to give an example, it's not just about murder here.
Yeah.
If you talk about most vices that people have as adults,
It
whether
comes
it's
from the
drugs,
company.
it's alcohol, it's cigarettes, it's gambling, it's cheating or infidelity, all these vices, we actually learned it from some friend or the other. Or we actually started it when we were with a group of friends for that peer belonging, sense of being the in-group, belonging, peer pressure, call it what you will. It started at that time, and look where so many people have landed up. Most of them have landed up 6 feet under, much before their time, because of those vices and habits. So yeah, you need to be really, really careful about your friends, who you choose.
The concept of friendship must be taught to children
Yeah.
right from the beginning.
And one very important thing before we end, just because someone is singing a song or saying it to you or writing it to you in a text message or calling you and saying it, you can count on me, I'm reliable, I'll be there. Don't blindly trust them.
Work for it. Wait for the
In
time.
today's world, those people, most people often say it just for the sake of it. Throw them a test, throw them a simple test, and you'll know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Wow. And never lend or borrow money with friends. I've learned this the hard way, actually. And many others have, not just me.